Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how I made these very quick and easy spicy air fried lamb chops. Whenever I make lamb chops, I used to make them in the pan, but since getting an air fryer, I tried them out there and they turned out amazing. So before anything, it's time to make your marinade. To start off, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of yogurt. I actually use some Greek yogurt. If you have any natural plain yogurt, that'll be perfect too. Next, add in 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cajun seasoning, half a teaspoon of some turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, half a teaspoon of black pepper. You can use black pepper powder but not too much. After that, add 1 teaspoon of fresh minced garlic. And then make sure to give this a good mix. It does seem like a hefty amount of seasonings, but honestly it comes together so well. If you're not a fan of having your lamb chops too spicy, go easy on the chili flakes. So I actually found these lamb chops in Asda in the halal section. I'm not too sure how much they were considering everything was individually priced, but I would say it was around £5 to £6, I'm not too sure. Speaking of air fried recipes, I have been seeing a lot of people make pasta in the air fryer and jollof rice, and I genuinely didn't think you could do things like that. But anyway, back to the video. Make sure that you coat your lamb chops properly and evenly. You can allow your lamb chops to marinate overnight, but I just cook them straight away. So just before the chops go inside the air fryer, I'm just preheating it. I'm not too sure if every air fryer has this function. So I basically cook the chops on a grill setting, and I cook them for 12 minutes on 200 degrees Celsius. The air fryer I'm using does say that the temperature is high, which I'm assuming is between 200 and 220 degrees. After 3 to 4 minutes, I simply just turned over the chops. You can check the chops as many times as you'd like, depending on how you like your lamb. There was about a minute left to go for these chops until they were completely done to my liking. So I simply just turned them over one more time, and then I also garnished them with some coriander. Cook the lamb chops for the remaining 1 minute, and this is how they should look. This is how the lamb chops turned out, and I can honestly say this is the only way how I'm ever making lamb chops again. You can garnish your lamb however you like. I just added on quite a lot of lemon, and then I also garnished with more coriander. You really can serve these lamb chops with whatever you'd like. I actually served these with some chips, but they honestly taste better on their own. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm definitely going to be making a lot more air fry dishes, so make sure you stay tuned for those.